How old do you think the nurse house is?
15. Older than our own house. 19. 120. 15. 20. 21.
The nurse house is over 300 years old and is a great example of first-period architecture. It's also the only home of a victim of the 1692 witch trials that is open to the public.
What do you think the new roof of the nurse house should look like once it is all done?
I would like it to be red, sparkly, rainbowish, and more colors of the rainbow. I would like it to be gray, black, and blue shiny, and rainbow with sparkles.
How much money will it cost to put a new roof on the nurse house?
Lots. 100. Lots. 100. 0.
We wish it would cost zero, but unfortunately that's not likely.
So far we have quotes ranging from $40,000 to $70,000, which is much more expensive than a regular roof job. That's because of the specialized skills and materials necessary to complete the job.
Eliza, what are your favorite experiences at the Rebecca Nurse Homestead?
My favorite memory is work parties. And sometimes you might get a little bit of some pizza.
She's right. Work parties are where we all come together to take care of the nurse homestead. By donating to our cause, you can help too.
What would happen to the inside of the nurse house if we continued to let the roof get even worse?
It would get wet. Water would get in it, and it would flood the whole house. And everything would get ruined.
The nurse house definitely needs a new roof. Do you think you guys could help us out and replace it yourselves?
No. It's so big. I don't think so, because it might be too heavy. And it will be too much work.
Who helps take care of the Rebecca Nurse Homestead?
Papa, Grandpa Jack, Dawn, Candace, and Bear. And we do too!
The organization that owns and operates the Rebecca Nurse Homestead is the Danvers Alliance Company. We're an all-volunteer group of Revolutionary War reenactors that seeks to educate the public about life during the 17th and 18th centuries.
What should we say to everyone who helps out the Rebecca Nurse Homestead by making a gift to help replace the roof?
Thank you for the...
Thank you, and even if you've already donated, please take a moment to share our page so others can see it.
As the girls would say, thank you for the roof.